Today I'm going to show you how to create this festive Shamrock Clover Eyeliner for St. Patrick's Day. I'll be using the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place for a green cut crease as the base, then switching to some liquid and pencil eyeliners to draw the shamrock. After priming and setting the eye, I'm first using a large fluffy brush to sweep Maasai, the matte chartreuse, into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow as our transition shade. Next I'm switching to a smaller, denser brush and packing Tutsi, the matte grass green, into the crease and smoking it into our transition. I'm also using light flicking motions to elongate this shade towards the tail of my brow. Then I'm switching back to the chartreuse to really blend those shades together. Deepen the outer V and crease with San, a matte forest green. I'm using a small pencil brush with a very light hand because I want the base for the clover to be a very light green to provide some contrast for the clover to pop. Going over the forest green with more of the grass green will help blend that out, as well as keep our green base nice and light. Next I'm cutting the crease about 3/4 of the way in. I like to occasionally look straight ahead and relax my eye, allowing the concealer to transfer and use that as a guideline for how far up I should bring my cut crease. Then I'm using my finger to lightly blend out the edge, preventing any harsh lines. On top of that, I'm packing Koro, a metallic pale gold with iridescent green reflect. Blend the grass green into the gold. Go back in with the gold to further blend those shades together. I'm also using the gold to highlight the brow bone. Clean up any fallout. Sweep the chartreuse all along the lower lash line. Concentrating on the base of your lashes, apply the grass green. Blend them together. Lightly deepen the outer corner with the forest green. Again, blend. Line the waterline with an emerald green eyeliner. Highlight the inner corner with the gold. You could stop here and pop on some mascara if you want, but if you really want to go all out for St. Patrick's Day, let's get artsy. First I'm using a green liquid liner to create a basic wing. You know the drill. Thin line against the lashes, follow the angle of your lower lash line, then connect them together. Done? Done. Next I'm mapping out the center of each leaf to help keep things even. It helps to imagine each leaf as a little heart. A clover is basically just 3 hearts connecting in the middle. Now you may be thinking, why isn't she drawing a 4-leaf clover? Don't those represent the luck of the Irish? Trivia time! The shamrock has a spiritual and religious meaning behind it. The 3 leaves represent the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. So a lucky clover and a shamrock are not the same thing. Next I wanted to darken the green to make the outline of the clover pop, so I tried going over it with a dark green pencil liner, but that was a mistake. It wouldn't go on evenly and made the liquid liner start to crack and flake. Let's just pretend it looks fine and move on. I'm filling in the clover with the emerald green pencil liner. Then I'm using a white liquid eyeliner to draw very thin highlights along the edges of the leaves. This requires a very steady hand and a lot of precision, and I'm really struggling to do that while staying in frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other leaves off camera. Great work! All that's left is to finish off the look of some mascara and you're done. And do it again on the other eye. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and happy St. Patrick's Day! You can find a product list in the description box below.